Today's recipe is hot spinach artichoke dip. Okay, we're going to take our softened cream cheese and we'll place that in a bowl. And then we're going to add some mayonnaise. This dip is really good to take to parties. It's very easy to make and you can serve lots with it. Then we'll add some mozzarella cheese. Some parmesan cheese, some sour cream, and some garlic. We're going to beat this up until it's nice and creamy and all incorporated. No lumps, so you want it quite smooth. Okay, now we're going to add our chopped artichoke hearts, and our spinach. And we're going to stir that in until that's all mixed through. And add a little bit of salt and pepper to your taste. Stir that in. This goes really well with crackers, tortilla chips. Now we'll just place in a baking dish. We'll spread this out evenly. Once we get this all spread into our baking dish, we're going to add our mozzarella cheese on top. You'll bake this in a 350-degree oven, covered for around 20 minutes, and then take the cover off of your dip and bake another 10 minutes or so until the top starts to brown. As before, you can serve this with tortilla chips, crackers, bread. It's a great party appetizer. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.